Hello everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just going over comparing for today only the difference between Oanda and Interactive Brokers currency pair selection. So today is, let me just go over screen. So today is the 15th of July. It's 11:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we have here two tear sheets. This one's from IBKR, Interactive Brokers, and this one is from Oanda. Now, these are mostly forex, with the exception of the Oanda. It also includes a tiny, about 5% allocation for U.S. 10-year Treasury. So let's look at the first one for Oanda. Now here's the sharp 3.8. Cumulative is always way overinflated. The drawdown, if I can find it here, I mean, that curve is fairly stable, especially along here. Here's a couple of drawdowns. This is over the last year. But what really matters here is monthly returns. Okay, so if we look at, let's say, the last 2-3 months, you can see here very strong returns for March this year, 54%, 47% in April. Then it was still positive for May at 2%. June was not too bad at 11%, but yet you have July, which is only 11 days in, of 18%. So if you move over to Interactive Brokers now, the data, see here, the sharp is 3.7. Cumulative return is about half. Okay. And so basically we have sharp is slightly lower, but as it keeps saying, what really matters is this right here, the monthly returns. So again, same time period, a similar monthly return for July, about 18%. June was 26% for Interactive Brokers, and yet June in Oanda was only 11%. So last month, this trading basket for Interactive Brokers was much higher. And that's what matters, okay? So right now, they're both similar. So the question is, am I going to lose opportunity by switching over to Interactive Brokers? Doesn't appear so. The difference is that there's some currencies that you can get on Interactive Brokers that you cannot get on Oanda, and vice versa. And the question is, which ones are better performing? So for instance, with the Interactive Brokers, you get Israeli, Romanian, Korean. You can't get those on Oanda, but with Oanda you get the Thai baht. What else is there that you can't get on Interactive Brokers? But you get the idea. So for now, I think I have really no choice. I'm going to be making a commitment to Interactive Brokers. So not much difference there. I just wanted to show that. Also, as I said, if you want to know more, just for now, get on our email list by going to quantlabs.net/banking, and that will take you or get you into our email list. And then you can learn more, less stuff or more stuff that I don't post on YouTube and whatnot. All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.